Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to be putting some more bolt-on upgrades onto the Skyline, but before we can do anything and start wrenching on anything, we need to get all of my spent tires out of the back seat and kind of clean out the car from the drift event yesterday, which by the way was awesome. I'm really confident on being able to control my car with the new power band and the new turbo, and this bolt-on part is going to be actually a little bit more of an upgrade to that with exhaust flow and helping the turbo spool up faster. But anyways, let's get into cleaning this car out, and then after that we'll get started on bolting on the Tomei downpipe. Okay, so we're all set up, and here is the Tomei Turbo dump pipe. And if you don't know, Skylines have like a two-piece kind of dump pipe setup. So this is the Tomei one. You can see how wide it is and how it comes all the way to the top of the flange. Now, this is what I was talking about in the previous video, is the factory one. If you can see here, the pipe doesn't start until down here. So all of this section here is closed off and blocked, which means that when the wastegate opens, it's hitting that wall and pushing down into the other general flow, which causes back pressure issues. So we're going to be swapping that out to this one today, which I'm already a little bit stressed about because obviously I had to start my car and move it here, like move it out to get the tires out and then move it up here and position it. So everything is quite hot down there, so I've got my gloves to wear as I undo that, but hopefully it'll cool down pretty quick. It's also like full blown going into summer here, and it's starting to really get warm. It's like 30 degrees today, so I'm already sweating up a storm. But anyways, let's get into it, swap this out, and then take it for a test drive and see if you can feel any notable difference. Be interesting to find out. Okay, so we've gotten the factory downpipe off now. It was a little bit frustrating. One of the studs actually backed out instead of the nut coming off on the bottom there, but I was able to get it out, so that's good. Gonna have to replace this new gasket. Luckily in the kit from Tomei, it comes with a new one, so that's really handy. It also looks like there's almost gonna be a little exhaust leak there, but so that's really nice. So it comes with all new gaskets here, so that'll sort me out. New studs as well to go in there, but I wanted to show you guys a comparison here of the factory one compared to the Tomei one. And you can see here there's this big section here that's missing. It's completely flattened off here, like straightened out. So when your internal wastegate's opening, all your exhaust gases are hitting this and then coming down and interfering with the main flow of the turbine, and that's not good. So the Tomei one obviously compensates for that, and it's the full size of the entire flange, which means you're gonna have much better flow. You're not going to have any problems with back pressure and stuff like that. Some of these aftermarket downpipes do have the section like halved off to try and separate the wastegate flow and the main turbine exhaust flow, but they actually can cause their own issues with back pressure as well. So it's best to just get one completely opened out like this. Tomei, as far as I know, make the best one. I know the only other closest one is HBI, but personally I'll pick Tomei over that. So anyways, we're going to go and bolt the new Tomei one in now, and we'll throw you guys back on the time lapse. Okay, so we've now gotten the Tomei downpipe or turbo elbow, whatever you want to call it, all bolted on there. I've also got this bung in the O2 sensor spot because I don't use an O2 sensor anymore. I have the wideband with the link, and everything's all bolted up there nice and tight. Everything went pretty smooth actually. I was really kind of surprised how quickly I was able to get that done. And the old one's all here. I got the O2 sensor removed and everything from that because I'm going to sell those 2 items on Yahoo Auctions, get some money back. But otherwise, it was really good. I also put some of Tomei's Bolt Smooth Paste. Not sure about that English. It's essentially just, what do they call it? Anti-seize. So I put some of that on the bung for the O2 sensor as well, so that I can get that out easier in the future if I ever need to, you know, put another O2 sensor in or something like that, or something changes, I don't know. But otherwise, we're good to get this thing off jack stands, take her out for a drive and see if I can feel or hear a difference. I'm expecting there to be, I think, a bit of a difference going into full boost, because obviously this was so restrictive, it's not funny. Just a quick look at the side of that flange and it's like, wow. What was Nissan thinking? Anyways, I'm gonna get this car, throw you on the time lapse, get it off the jack stands, back on the ground, and we'll take it out for a spin and maybe get a coffee from Starbucks or something. Definitely got some new battle scars on my car since drifting in that tight car park and everything yesterday at Gunsai, but it was so much fun. I actually thoroughly enjoyed it, mainly because I got to learn the power band on my car really well and just you know, get the hang of clutch kicking and things like that. So it was heaps of fun. Anyways, like I said, car off the jack stands and then we'll take her out for a test drive. Alright guys, so we're in the car now and it is much better in high boost. Much better in high boost. So you don't really feel a difference when it's in like the low RPMs, but it definitely comes on full boost a lot quicker once it gets past the 3.5 grand mark. So now instead of seeing full boost at 4 grand, I'm probably seeing it at like maybe 3,900. And when it's in full boost, it's not like just plateauing there. It's actually kind of going to another level, and it's weird. Like, it's before I would hit full boost in second gear and it would struggle to spin the rear wheels. Just before full boost in second gear and the car started fishtailing. So there's definitely a bit of a power increase there, which means I'm not going to go into full boost too much while we're driving to the movies, because I need to check my tune and make some adjustments there, maybe add a little bit more fuel to the fuel map to compensate now for that little bit of extra power or boost that we're getting, that extra flow we're getting from the turbo. So I need to check that out. We'll probably do that maybe tomorrow night. I might do that, but for now I'm going to stay out of full boost just in case it's leaning out. And we're going to head to the movies and watch Deadpool 2. So what did you think of the movie? Interesting, I guess.
It was good.
It was good, yeah. If you're in the right age group to be able to see Deadpool 2, I definitely recommend it, especially if you saw the previous one and you're all up to date on the entire Marvel universe, because these days there's so many inside jokes in all these different films and all that type of stuff that you have to be like up to date with everything, even watching like S.H.I.E.L.D. and things like that to be able to know what everything's like referring to. Anyways, yeah, like I said, definitely recommend it, especially considering like it's got that Australian sarcastic kind of sense of humor, which I enjoy so much. But anyways, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you don't mind. I didn't bring you inside on a date night, but same, I guess. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out all my social media down in the description if you want to send me stuff. The PO box is there as well, and make sure you join the Discord. It's just a great place for you guys to like hang out as a community, share things, and as well as you know, like get notifications when I'm doing live streams on Twitch and things like that. And as always, I guess that's it. Catch you later, guys. Ja mata ne.